Good morning, class. Today's a pretty simple day. We're just going to turn to page 7 and we're going to title our page Place Outside. And today all you're going to do is you're going to make a spot where you can draw a picture of where you placed it, and then below that you're going to make a prediction about whether you think the bird you are trying to attract will come to your bird feeder. So first I just drew a little square, and then below that I wrote my prediction as a title, and then I made myself some lines where I could write mine, and that's it. You're set up. You just have to draw your bird feeder in its place outside and make a prediction of whether you think the birds will come to your bird feeder, specifically the bird that you were trying to attract. So I'll leave you with some music to see so you can see what I have come up with. And there you have it. So go head over to your portfolio and take a picture of the work that you have done today. I can't wait to see where you have placed all of your bird feeders. Bye!